Automotive engineering and design excel in the 2025 Lexus LS. This premium sedan redefines luxury with its exquisite workmanship, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance. Enter opulence. The LS interior blends luxurious materials, ergonomic design, and modern features. From the smoothest leather to the finest wood accents, everything is elegant. The roomy cabin provides unmatched comfort for drivers and passengers. Perfection in driving. Driving the LS is enjoyable thanks to its powerful yet sophisticated power plant. You'll feel the car's agility with every acceleration. Even on rough roads, the sophisticated suspension system provides a comfortable ride. Accept technology's future. The 2025 LS has cutting-edge features to improve driving. The latest entertainment system, driving assistance technologies, and intuitive controls make the ride fluid and connected. Lexus LS is more than a car, it represents achievement and refinement. This car represents affluent living. The 2025 Lexus LS will redefine premium sedans. This flagship model delivers an unmatched driving experience based on its refinement and innovation. Appearance: Lexus spindle grille and delicate detailing will provide elegance to the appearance. LS may emanate elegance and sophistication. Interior opulence: premium materials, innovative technology, and expert craftsmanship will make the cabin a luxury retreat. Comfort and space will be key. Hybrid powertrain: modern luxury buyers want performance and efficiency, thus a hybrid powertrain is likely. Lexus is recognized for its creative features, and the 2025 LS is slated to lead the way with advanced driver assistance technologies, intelligent infotainment, and sumptuous amenities. The 2025 LS is expected to provide luxurious seating, improved climate control, and noise isolation, continuing the LS legacy of comfort. It's safe to say that Lexus flagship sedan will represent excellence.